Hi everybody, this is Fred today. How's everybody out there in YouTube land? Thought I'd show you just one of my little garden knives. I use this when I'm out there tilling, and if my tiller blades get all clogged up with roots, like in the springtime when you just start tilling the garden and your roots trying to get tangled up, I put some little edges I cut in there with a grinder to help cut out the roots. And today, this project scrapped out a rocking chair. Yeah. So this is Fred. Hi everybody in YouTube land. This is Fred today. Thought I'd show you just what I'm doing, just scrapping. I would just try to fix this rocking chair, but I'm gonna get some free dowel pins off of it. Right here, the dowel pins. Got the saws all ready. It's got a broke board on there, and I see a few bolts. Just gonna get some of the dowel pins off of it, and this here, try to save some of it. But mostly I'm just gonna get these right here off, those there off of there. So we'll try to do this now. These are just some dowel pins. Well, I guess that piece there is done. Yay. Well, looks like they're cut. These dowel pins here. So that's just all Fred's doing today. I might can pull him out. Let's see. Wiggle him loose. I don't think so. That's just what Fred's doing. Just want to scrap this old wooden rocker out. See if I can cut her straight one-handed. Just about getting dangerous, ain't it? Well, just getting some dowels for I'm gonna make a hat rack. I can cut the other side before it gets too dangerous. Yay. That's enough for now. Yeah, yeah. Let's see if I can do it this way. There we go. Put all these dowels. All these pieces over here. Yeah, I got some little wooden dowels and I can add to the hat rack now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see what else I can tear up. But this is Fred today, December 13, 2019. Holidays is coming up. Now you're scrapping. Yeah. So this is Fred. Y'all be safe on the trail. Don't get bit by a possum. Don't swallow your chewing tobacco. Don't drive drunk. And obey all the 10 commandments. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.